John here from Baumgardt's Auto Repair, here to do another tool review for you. Today I've got the Carbyne 84-piece Master Hex and Torx bit socket set, and it is both metric and SAE sizes. It comes in a nice heavy blow mold case. And as you can see, got pretty much every size that you would need, including the extended Torx and the ball hex. It's got the tamper-proof Torx as well. As you can see here, the chrome, it's a real nice solid plating. They're made out of the bits are made out of the S2 steel that will ensure us of good long-lasting use, as compared to the sets that I've got from the tool trucks. They are right there hand in hand with them as far as what the quality has been from the ones that I've used, and the appearance for a fraction of the cost. The markings on the sockets are they're pretty easy to see, not quite as easy as what some of the other brands are, but they're not too bad. One nice thing about this set is because they're all in this case, you can grab the whole case, take it to where you are working on your vehicle, and the case actually has the markings, the size markings in it, and it is pretty easy to read there. But each of the sockets that I have used, they fit the fasteners well. They fit the ratchets, extensions, or impacts well, and I do feel that they will hold up to the quality that most of the other brands that we've come to use out of the higher priced ones do. So I don't hesitate to recommend this set if you are looking to purchase a set for use. So have a good day, and thank you again.